like, why not? Really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Hey, can you focus on me?
Hey, it's Tashira, and guys, today it's a fall haul. So I got some home decor. I went to Home Goods, Marshalls, Dollar Tree, and my favorite, Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna start off with the items that I got from Hobby Lobby. Y'all, I'm so excited. I love everything. So I picked up these cute little pumpkin dishes. These are from Hobby Lobby. They're so cute, guys. Everything is 40% off when it comes to their fall items, so you can definitely find some good deals at Hobby Lobby. I think these were probably like $3. It doesn't show. Oh, I took the bottom of the labels off, guys. Ooh. So I don't know how much these were, but I know they weren't very expensive at all. Super duper cute. I love making snacks and cute little baked goods, so these are going to be perfect for my baked goods. Next, I picked up these little platters. They're just little leaf platters. I got a burgundy one and I got this gold color. I think this is just like a trinket tray. I think you can use this for like snacks or things like that, or you can use it for trinkets. You could use it as a ladle holder, whatever you'd like. I'm just going to use it as some cute little added decor in my living area, and I think maybe the dining area. I got this gorgeous vase. Now this is very different for me. This is a dark vase. Normally I'm into like pink colored or like clear vases. This is like a brown type color. You can't really see like the glass. It's more so like an amber, I think. So the color is not really showing up that great on camera, but when I decorate, I'm gonna do a decorating video. You guys will probably be able to see more of that color. But y'all, this was like, I think like $6 or something like that. Okay, actually it was less. I think it was like $4. So I was like, why not? And y'all, I know everybody is getting eucalyptus, but y'all, I thought this was so pretty. It's this eucalyptus plant. I think it's dried eucalyptus. It actually smells really good. It just says a bouquet. I think it's dried though. It's really pretty. It just has a variety of different colors in there. I wanted something with this like burgundy, maroon type color. I kind of want to tie that in this fall, and then I have like my oranges and things. It's gonna be really pretty, real pretty, guys. And then also from Hobby Lobby, I have a fake bouquet, so it has sunflowers in it. I needed something with just like oranges. I needed something with oranges. I was looking for like a maroon type sunflower, but I didn't see it. But this is like one bouquet. I may actually cut these, and this wasn't that expensive. I do not know where the tag is. Oh my goodness. But y'all, I think it was maybe like $10 or something like that. I just really like the colors here. Like, look at these pretty colors. How cute. And I'm going to show you what exactly I'm doing with these sunflowers. You're going to see. I'm going to show you. Now, I've never done full table settings. I normally just do like a placemat. But I think I want to do like a full table setting, or at least like have the charger plates. So what I got, y'all, these are gorgeous. These are glittery placemats. They're like a bronzy, orange, copper sort of color. I would say copper. It's like a copper, just basic glittery placemat. I thought these were just gorgeous. And then along with this, I'm gonna put my charger plates. So I got copper charger plates. Y'all, this is so pretty. I'm just gonna do a table setting of 2. But y'all, look how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. Oh. And this was extremely inexpensive. I was just like, why not? Let's do it. Let's do something new. And then of course, you know, I got some napkins. This is also that pretty copper type color, a little bit of glitter in it. This kind of matches the placemats, but it's a little more orangey. I didn't want everything the exact same color, but I wanted it a similar color. Now y'all, so I got these orange sunflowers. These are the napkin holders, but y'all, I went back too late because I actually bought my fall stuff probably maybe like a month-ish ago, maybe even more, and these things were like just being put out. I went back because I realized I actually wanted burgundy, so that copper and then like burgundy, hints of burgundy would have been pretty, but y'all, they were all out of the burgundy, and I was like, oh my gosh. They did have like one, but you know, the flower was a little weird, but we're gonna go with this. We're gonna go with it. It's still gonna be really pretty. Now, I actually went to Hobby Lobby a second time to get pumpkins. I was looking for like some bronzy copper pumpkins, but y'all, I don't know, I don't know, I saw these and I was like, oh, how cute. So these are acorns. They're like these pretty acorns. I don't know how to describe it. They're not really gold, they're more kind of like copper colored, but they're so cute. And they just sit like this. I think I'm gonna use these on the table if it's not too much, because on my dining table there's a lot kind of going to be going on, and if not, I'll find somewhere, I'll put it somewhere. Now moving on to my Dollar Tree items, you can probably tell I'm a fan of pumpkins. I got some more little pumpkins, y'all. These were only $1.25. These are like these ceramic-y glass type pumpkins, and they're just this really beautiful ombre type color. I don't know what exactly I'm doing with these, but I'm gonna do something. I feel like I actually bought one of these this year and one last year, but I could be mistaken. I don't know. They still have these, so you can still get these, y'all. Also, I don't know why I only got one of these. Maybe I only saw one that looked pretty. This is like a really beautiful like cream mini pumpkin. It's so cute. It has like this little design on there. It's like gray webbing in it. Perfect. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I think it's going in the kitchen. I have like some cream pumpkins I purchased last year. Well, they're actually more like white pumpkins like this that I purchased last year from Dollar Tree, but I don't think I'm going to use them this year. And I got this one. So this is small. I really wanted a bigger one, but I was like, this is $1.25, and I'm now noticing a chip in it. Oh my gosh. This one is not actually going to last too long. It may last a season or two, because it's real cheap, y'all. So this is one of those you might have to spray paint it type pumpkins. If you want to spray paint a different color, this is only $1.25. But I think this will be cute next to this cream pumpkin. It's just gonna be like an additive probably in the kitchen. I also thought this was absolutely adorable. It says hello pumpkin. This is a pot holder. You know, you can put your hand in there or you can hang it up. I like to hang mine in the kitchen. But I also have a hello pumpkin, it's like a rolling pin sign that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. They have some similar ones this year. You might be able to find the exact same one, but you'll see it when I do my Decorate With Me video. But y'all, this is just too cute. It's adorable. And now my Home Goods and Marshalls items. Alrighty. So y'all, gorgeous. I have always wanted one of these faux fur throws. So I got this faux fur by Rachel Roy faux fur. It's just a throw for the couch. It's gonna mix in with my theme, with my colors. First I didn't quite know, but I tried it out. I checked out how it's gonna look, and it's gonna look awesome. This is really big. It's quite heavy, and I figured if I don't use it for the living room for some reason, which I'm sure I will, this is gonna go for Christmas and for the fall theme. But I was like, I can also put this in my bedroom if I decide on something else or another color next year. Now y'all, this pumpkin was so pretty. This is from Marshalls, but y'all, it's so cute. It's a gold pumpkin, and then it just has like this distressed type detailing to it. It is super duper cute, super pretty, and it's like a medium-sized pumpkin. So y'all, I got this other one to go along with it. Y'all, I thought this was a regular decorative pumpkin. It's kind of like a sweater type material to me. It's not really sweater type material, but it reminded me of a sweater. So it's like a cream with like some gold little detailing. Y'all, why is this a candle? This is an entire candle. I didn't realize it until I got home. I was like, oh, how pretty. It's so pretty. I don't even want to burn it. I wish I would have gotten a second one, and I might go back and get a second one. This one is, I think this was Home Goods. The brand is Acorn and Oak. Pretty sure this was Home Goods. Yes. This is so pretty. I am in love. And of course, I picked up some fall candles and body care. I actually have a separate video for those. This is just the home decor, but if you want to see what candles I got for the fall and what body care I picked up, definitely check out this video. And don't forget to be on the lookout for my home decor Decorate With Me video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.